Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag an event to your Facebook post. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the what's on your mind section at the top. After that, scroll down until you find the tag event section. After that, you should use the search bar and type in the name of the event that you would like to add to your post. Select it, click on it, and as you can see, you have the chance to start typing in your text, the text of your post. Type it in. You have the chance to attach pictures and videos. You can tag others. You can set your mood and the activities that you're doing. You can also check in. And when you are done, click on the pause button in the upper right corner of the screen, and here you have shared an event that you are attending. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.